Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to buy crypto on Yahoo Finance and most importantly, what Yahoo Finance actually allows you to do. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your Yahoo account. Now from the home page, tap on the search bar and type any cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum or Solana. Then tap on the crypto ticker to open its page. Within it, you will see the price chart, market data, news and performance details. Then tap on add holdings within my holdings. Here it will ask you to select a portfolio or my watch list. You can just choose any and then tap done. Now it will redirect you to add transaction page where you will be given different info about the transaction. Within the transaction type option, you will further get different option. Please make sure to choose buy option. As you can see, it is already selected by default. Then enter the shares and enter the commissions. You can also add comments, but it's optional. After adding all the details about transaction, tap on the add option. Now you can see that it is successfully added. It is important to know that the Yahoo Finance does not allow you to buy crypto directly. There is no buy, trade or invest button inside the Yahoo Finance. So you can use Yahoo Finance for tracking and analyzing. You can just come back to the main home screen. Within the portfolio section, you can see your successfully added ticker. But in order to actually buy crypto, you will need a separate crypto exchange app such as Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Ox or any licensed exchange in your region. So in summary, Yahoo Finance helps you track and analyze crypto, but you can buy crypto inside the app. Use this for research, then make purchase through a real crypto exchange. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy Yahoo Finance tutorials.